Guys, welcome back. My Feelunique Beauty Kit has arrived and I've popped quite a few interesting things in here. But before we get started on that, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, put the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Like I said, it's here. If you're unfamiliar with the Feelunique Beauty Kit, Feelunique is a beauty website. They sell so many different kind of products: hair care, body care, makeup, skincare, tools as well. Some very interesting ones on there. And they also do a sampling service which they call the Beauty Kit. So for once a month it is, and I've noticed, I don't know if anybody else has, that the day kind of shifts every month. So like last month I ordered it on the 18th, but this month I couldn't order it till the 19th. So it's kind of a bit frustrating, especially if you want to get one in a month. So let me know in the comments below if you're finding that as well, because I'm finding it a bit strange. So yeah, once a month you can pop in 5 samples into your free pouch here and you can try out different products. I will put the prices down below on how much the kit is. I've worked this one out to be a value of over £30 this month. I've started to work out how much each product is. Kind of, if they don't sell the sample size themselves, I've been going in and kind of just working out what a full size would be per mil or per gram and then adding it up kind of that way. And yeah, I've got double the value this month, so which is quite cool. So I'm quite pleased. But there's enough of me waffling on. I still have scary hair. I'm still in pain with my shoulder, so unfortunately I'm not able to straighten it, so bear with me. I'm hoping it will get better soon. So let's dive in here. And the first item, it's the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum. Now this has really intrigued me. It's full of strength and resilience, free from visible signs of aging. It's vegan, it's gluten free, and it's nut free as well, which is cool. It's dermatologically tested. Yeah, and you know, I think this would be something that I would use in the morning. It's quite a cute little sample. I like the packaging. I'll get a little bit closer. They had a Bare Minerals primer on there that I was kind of kept my eye on, and then when I came to order the kit, it had gone. It's really frustrating. How many have we got in here? We've got 8 mils. So, you know, that's a nice trial size. So let's squeeze a little bit of this out. Oh, come on, pump. There we go. And as you can see there, it's not a really loose serum, but it does have some kind of movement to it. Let's rub it in and see if it's got any fragrance. No, not really. It's kind of like a very light kind of fragrance. Excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. That has absorbed into my skin so fast. That is just, it's gone. Not really any tackiness there as either, and I can feel how soft the back of my hand is starting to feel. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. So that was item number 1. Item number 2, you'll have to bear with me with my pronunciation. If you've been with me for a while, you'll know that I will mispronounce everything and trip over my words. So I think this is the Feelunique. I'm hoping I got that right. It sounds really nice. Activating Water Essence. So this is a toner and I've got 10 mils. I think the packaging on this bottle is so nice. It's a really chunky glass bottle. Now I love trying new toners, and getting one this size is a great way to kind of try new ones out. See if it's got any fragrance. Oh, it smells quite herby. Herby? I like that word. Very natural smelling. I was going to use this in the morning as well. So yeah, that is so cute. I like that, and it's really weighty as well. It feels expensive. I'll have to familiarise myself with this brand. I've not really tried anything, and I think it's quite pricey from what I saw. So there's the second one. The third one is Noble Isle, and this is a bath and shower gel, and this is in the fragrance Fireside. Look how cute that is. It looks like fire as well, doesn't it? I think there's 50 mils in here. Yeah, there is. Which I think is a really good size for shower gel. Oh. This smells stunning. This it's got a very masculine fragrance to it, which I really, really like at the moment. I love sandalwood, I love bergamot, the tobacco kind of fragrance. Yeah, that just smells very, very nice and manly and kind of spicy as well. So yeah, I'm very much looking forward to pop it. I might have to have a shower so I finish recording just so I can use it. The fourth item I have, if I can get it out, it is another item by Feelunique, and this is the Rare Rose Gel Cream. So this was another item that I was going to use sort of in the morning. I prefer to go for more gel-like creams in the morning, just because it's a lot lighter on my face, and then go sort of heavier in the evening. I want to get the hydration in the morning and moisture in the evening. So squeeze a little bit of this out. From what I saw, this was quite a pricey cream as well, full size. And there we go. Looks nice. It's kind of gel-like. Oh, that's rose. If you do not like the rose fragrance, this is jam-packed with rose. You won't like this. But if you like the rose fragrance, you'll love it. That's that very nice kind of English rose. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Yeah, I like that, and it's rubbed in very well. It's gone now, which is absolutely fabulous. So yeah, very looking forward to trying that. And the last item I've got is from the brand Comfort Zone, and it's kind of like an essential trial pack. I've been looking at this for a while. So you've got sachets in here, and I think it's kind of like a partial morning routine, because you've got a silkening cleansing milk, you've got a micellar water which does the face, the eyes, the lips, and it says it's a makeup remover. You've got a soothing toner, you've got an illuminating refining scrub, and a delicate enzymatic mask. So you've got kind of like a peeling solution, and it just comes in this sort of like little cardboard kind of envelope like that. Sorry, it's kind of going everywhere. And you've got your kind of sachets in here. So you've got your peeling mask, which you've got 4 mils. We have the scrub, which is 4 mils. The toner, 2 mils. You've got the micellar water, you've got 2 mils, and you've got the softening cleansing milk, 2 mils. So it's basically a one use from each of them, but it's just a way that you can try them out and just see how they go. And like I said, I've been looking at this for quite a while and going, shall I, shan't I? So I thought this month I'll just take the plunge and just pop it in and just see what it's like. Off the top of my head, I can't think I have used anything from Comfort Zone. I might have used an eye cream once, I think, but apart from that I don't think I have. And as per normal, you get your free pouch. I've got so many of these now. I really don't know what to do with them. So what did you think of this month's Feelunique picks? I'm really, really pleased, really pleased. There's a couple of really intriguing items in there that I'm so looking forward to trying. The shower gel. I'm getting in the shower now. Actually, I think I've got another video or 2 to do first, and then I'm getting in the shower and I'm getting that all over my skin because it just smells absolutely stunning. Well, let me know in the comments below what you thought of my picks for this month, and if you get the beauty kit, please drop me a comment and let me know what you chose this month. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me again today, and in the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.